not running, dude.
Bad part is he wasn't even worried about the gobbler.
Yeah, take the hand.
He seen that lay down, yeah.
Smacked her in the head.
He'll be back. Headshots are tough, dude.
I was like, oh God, turkey.
You still see him out there?
No, he was probably ain't coming back. Yeah, I went for the headshot. So before this, I had taken one shot at another turkey with my bow. I took a body shot. All signs looked like I smoked him. Put it right where I wanted to. Never found the bird. My thoughts on the headshot was, I'm gonna kill him, or I'm gonna have a clean miss. That's all there was to it. I didn't have a clean miss. My fletchings looks like, when I did a freeze frame, it looks like my fletchings hit his snood. Just popped it up in the air, which is maybe why he didn't come back. He just took off putting. It was definitely a heartbreaker. I got another bird in the last morning. He was gobbling first light, probably a couple hundred yards away at least. Closed the distance to about 40 yards. He just wouldn't come any closer. There's a little thicket between me and him, and he couldn't see the hen. She wasn't coming to him, so he left. Had some ups and downs that trip for sure. Had a lot of interaction with some hens. Just trying to figure out what the hell's going on.
She looks like she's right under the redneck blind.
In the middle of the week there, we had one hen that got our attention. She's going to the woods.
To the woods.
Okay, it's here.
Give me Chuck. Chuck.
She's going away.
Lift that GoPro up with that window.
Easy, bro.
Easy.
Hang on. Don't move. Don't move. Stop moving. She did.
Wasn't that loud? Gun's not loud at all.
Give me some of that.
Okay, I got it on
Give me
record.
some of that.
You just want to leave her there?
Leave her there.
Or you want to go get her?
Let's go get her here.
It's up to you, buddy.
Sorry, y'all.
Why are you freaking apologizing?
That's freaking awesome.
Low shot, but it is what it is.
No, she was going away. We didn't have a choice.
She was leaving, son.
I think she got skittish when we started moving
I
around.
think so. I think you can hear through this thing.
Yeah, he did.
I was expecting that guy to be a lot louder.
I know, I was too.
But it wasn't loud at all.
Oh, she did. Scared you. Pick her up. turkey in, I think it's like 3 or 4 years. Also his first Kentucky bird, which just so happened to be a bearded hen. Pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. Tried to get down with the bow as you saw, but she had different ideas. She got a little squirrely, just got right in front of us. Probably another 10 yards or so, maybe less, and he would have had a perfect shot at her with the bow. But she got right there and went straight away. Luckily we had the shotgun, he got it done. It is a bow hunting channel, yes I know, but there's just something about shooting a turkey with a shotgun that just gets me going. I love it. Back in Kentucky for hopefully some redemption. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Stay tuned because hopefully the next video you watch will be me getting some sweet redemption on a Kentucky longbeard. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Check out our merch, and you can see our latest video right here. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch y'all next time. See ya.